basically got the G20, the BMW, which I made a video previously. I'm here out today, it's a beautiful weather. Wanted to make this video for you guys, just show you we have a couple of products from Chemical Guys, and I'm going to show you one by one which products are these. So we've got the Fabric Guard, that's the Fabric Guard, which is obviously used for the carpet and all that stuff. Then we have the leather cleaner, which is obviously just to clean the leather. That's number 2. Then we have the leather conditioner, which is really important. If you get a new car, you really need the leather conditioner, and it's a brilliant product. And last we have the leather protectant, which is the serum. It's a really important product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making this video, and then probably we'll post it and show you guys the effectiveness of it. Let's get into it. So guys, before we even started, so those are the chemicals which I've kept. So this is the car and these are the seats. All you need is just make sure that you get your microfibers ready. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we've got 4 pieces of microfiber. We've got these seats, these are the leather seats which we need to basically prep. So guys, this is the rear seats, so we need to prep all these seats. And with the carpets, we need to remove the carpet, and we're going to prep them as well. So let's get into it then. So first off guys, we're going to do one of the sprays, which is this one, the Fabric Guard. We are going to start with the Fabric Guard. So this Fabric Guard is product what we need to spray it all on the carpet. So I'm going to remove this carpet first of all. Guys, once when you have the carpet removed, all you have to do is you have to take this Fabric Guard, as we have over here. You just need to spray it. So just make sure that the carpet is properly cleaned. That's really important, because if it's not cleaned, it doesn't do the job. You have to just clean it and then spray it over a really nice coat. I'll just show you guys how to do it. I've sprayed on the fabric. It's a water repellent. What it does, it's got oleophobic properties, and now all of the carpet in the car, it's all been sprayed properly, and well, you can't see it, but the thing is that if I drop water on it, it'll just repel. So really good product. Really would recommend, if you buy a new car, you should just spray this. So this is our first thing. Then we'll go on to the next product. The second product which we have is going to be the leather cleaner. So this product from Chemical Guys is absolutely super. So what we're going to do is, guys, the first thing is we're going to start spraying this product on the car seats and see how it goes. The thing is, it's going to lift all the dirt up, and that is what you really need for your car. Because if you're getting a car and if you don't get this stuff, then it means it's all terrible. Right, so I was just talking to you about the leather cleaner. So with this leather cleaner, it is from Chemical Guys. I would really say to get it. Without any delay, let's get into it and let's see what this product does, because it's a must product which you guys should get for your BMW or any other car. So all you need to do is, guys, before you go ahead, you just have to take the product and just start spraying it all over the seats like that. And then we'll basically, after we've done that with all the seats, the headrest, everywhere, it's going to be something like that properly. We need to soak it. Yeah. This is just basically a cleaner. So what it's going to do is it's going to clean up the leather. So we're going to use our microfibers to clean it. And the center console as well. So that's it. So we just start now cleaning it up. Take a nice microfiber and then just start. Yeah, just slowly rub it off. So now you can see that they are super clean with the new spray, right? And then on the rear seats, if you have a look, so we have absolutely cleaned them up. Now the second step is that we are going to use the leather conditioner. So that's the product. What it's going to do is it's basically going to keep the leather very soft, and that's a required product if you want to save your leather from any cracks or fading. Let's get that on it now. So because you see that this is not a spray, we need a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to put it on the microfiber and then spray it all over. So I'm going to use this leather conditioner now, and you need a fresh microfiber. And first of all, you just need to shake it properly, because this conditioner has to be set on all the seats and it needs to be there for like 15 to 20 minutes. What we need to do is we just need to open it up like that and just need to start, and you can just put it on the cloth or on the seat directly. So let's get into the car and I'll show you over there. Just going to use my cloth. I'm going to start spreading it. So to show you that what you need to do is if you wrap up the cloth and then you just start to basically in circular patterns start to rub that on, and in this way you just need to work on through all the seats. So that's going to be the conditioner. So guys, just to let you know that this will not turn it shiny, it's going to be matte. So last we need to apply the serum, it's the protectant, which of course after the conditioner you need to use this product because this is one of the main products. It's going to protect your seats for say 3 months or 6 months, it depends how you use it. Really important product. I'll put a link in the description for this product, and we're going to coat this with the serum with a new microfiber. So guys, just to show you, that's one of our products. That was the serum. We just applied it on the cloth, and from the cloth we're just going to start applying it on the seats. So guys, I'm just going to show you the end product. So here we go guys. Just look at the seats now. Aren't they amazing? So we've used the 3 products. We used the cleaner, we used the conditioner, and we used the serum. I can feel that it's a bit shiny, but that's just because the leather needs to be nourished, and it's not a bad shine, but it's just like a new car shine, and it really looks nice and clean. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a full detailed video of the car itself. If you have any questions regarding the cleaning products for inside, let me know, give me a shout out, and I will reply back to you. Take care of yourself guys. Bye bye.